If you've ever wondered how to pronounce the word of this vehicle right here, this is a 2014 Maserati Ghibli. Ghibli. At least that's how Doug DeMuro on YouTube says it, so I'm gonna go with the way he says it. Maserati Ghibli. So let's take a look at the Maserati Ghibli. Under the hood is your 3.0 liter V6 with twin turbo. Very sporty 19-inch alloy wheels. Pirelli P0 all-season tires with massive brakes. Here's what the rear of this car looks like with the quad exhaust. Quite nice. Moving right along. Let's take a look at the interior. Has your ebony leather. Very comfortable seats.
I think it's Ghibli.
Ghibli?
Yeah.
Ghibli?
Now, what's funny is in the, I think, 70s, the original Maserati Ghibli is a two-door, kind of a slant nose car, like a wedge.
Yeah.
Neat ride.
So hold on, these have been around since the 70s, you're telling us?
Yeah.
No way.
Yeah.
That's interesting.
Late 60s, but I think it's 70s was a two-door, probably a V8, or because Maserati and Ferrari have been kind of together for years.
Right.
But the Ghibli in the 70s, a two-door car.
Two-door.
I might be wrong about Maserati and Ferrari together. It probably been only like the last 15, 20 years.
Okay.
But the two-door. I remember I was over European racing one day. Carl was doing some service on one. They said, find a picture.
Well, good looking? I mean, pretty good looking car? Yeah.
It looked like a long Lotus Esprit.
Okay.
But this is kind of fun. I drove it today.
3.0 V6 twin turbo.
It's
Pretty fast.
The
Yeah.
motor is built by Ferrari, actually.
Wow.
Just like the Quattroporte.
Sounds good. Looks good.
And what's funny is, not funny, but
Yeah.
you think Maserati, you think high maintenance, and I mean, let's be real, it's probably not cheap.
Right.
But all the reviews, all the reliability reports, like Edmunds and where else did I go? I think Edmunds and Car Gurus and like Consumer Reports, they're all like 4.8s and 4.9s for reliability, comfort. Yeah, it was kind of neat.
That's great.
I was actually surprised.
Yeah.
If they sucked, I would have said, hey, the reviews suck. But no, they're actually pretty solid.
Yeah, so a car that may not have so many issues, really, and
yeah, you say Maserati,
realistically,
but no,
yeah,
it's actually a pretty solid car.
There you go. Yeah,
It's
awesome.
not very old, was it 5 or 6 years old?
Yeah, this is a 14, 65,000 miles for 27.9. Yeah, it's actually price is good on it. You got Pirelli P0s.
For 25 to 30 grand.
Right.
You're buying what, a 16, 17 Accord?
That is true. Yeah.
So with 50,000 miles, 50,000 miles.
Right.
Something a little different.
Yeah, something a little different, fun.
I love the front end, they're so cool looking.
Yeah, it's very aggressive, sporty. There you go. Now, I had no idea that there was a two-door version back in the 70s, which is kind of cool, So thanks for watching with us right here on the SMC Facebook page. We were making a little short for you, but it's okay. That's even better that Chris walked up because he gave us some more great information about this car. Of course, the name of the car always kind of catches us. I watched a few videos and heard it called the Maserati Ghibli. But anyway, say it how you want. It doesn't really matter. If you buy it, you can call it whatever you want. It's your car. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. And as always, visit us online and see all the great inventory that we have. I mean, look at this, everybody. Jeeps, Challenger, wide body, 4Runners, Volkswagens, Volvos, Lexuses, Toyotas, Chevys. We have all types of vehicles that may work just for you. So go to smccharleston.com. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. And as always, hit that like button and share this video with a friend.